Hey guys, my name is Andrea and I am super excited to be working with Revlon in today's video to talk all about their ColorStay foundation. So this foundation comes in 67 shades and the shade that I'm using today is 600 Cinnamon. Now this foundation is going to be perfect for the summertime because it is for combination oily skin. They have another one for dry skin, but this is going to be perfect for those of you who have oily skin. A lot of you know I have combo skin. I have a really oily T-zone, so this is going to be perfect for me. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply it so you guys can see how it looks. I'm gonna take a couple of pumps on my hand and we're gonna go ahead and blend it out. One of the things I love about this foundation is it's lightweight and it's breathable. And that's what I always look for in a summer, like a foundation to wear during the summertime. And I love how lightweight this is. And not only is it lightweight and breathable, it's also mask friendly. Y'all know we are all wearing masks and a lot of us still like to wear makeup under our mask. So if you're looking for a mask friendly foundation, the ColorStay is it. All right guys, look how pretty the finish is. Look how pretty that is. Now I know it is a little bit darker, but once I go in with my concealer and the powders and all that, everything is gonna even out. And I actually like my foundation to be like a hair bit darker anyway, because like I said, if I go in with my concealer, my powder, everything just evens out perfectly. But this finish is so freaking pretty. If you want to build it up, you definitely can. I'm just gonna go in with this much. I'm not gonna go in with any more because summer, you know, it's too hot. We don't want all of that makeup on the face, so I'm just gonna stay with one layer of the foundation. So let me know if you guys have already tried out the ColorStay foundation. If you haven't tried it out, I will have it linked down below for you guys. But definitely a good foundation for the summertime. It's lightweight, it's breathable, mask friendly. It has SPF 15 in it. So yeah, I definitely recommend this for the summertime. But let me go ahead and do the rest of my face and then we will come back and talk more about the ColorStay foundation. All right, so this is what it looks like once I am done. See how it just all came together like I said earlier. Once I put the concealer on, the powders, all of that just brings the whole complexion together. So I really love how this foundation looks on the skin. You can see that it looks super duper natural, even though I have a full face of makeup on, but it still gives me that natural look, which is what I look for in a foundation for the summertime. So definitely a perfect summer foundation if you're looking for something that's going to give you a really pretty coverage. It's not going to be heavy on the skin. It's breathable. It's mask friendly. This is definitely a good one to try out. And really quickly, I want to show you guys what my face looks like after wearing a mask. So here I am with my mask on. Just want to give you guys a little close up so you can see how the face looks after removing the mask. So here it is with me with the mask off. You can see that the foundation is still in place. Everything still looks flawless. The skin is still glowing and radiant and flawless. But yes, that is all that I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried out the ColorStay foundation. If you have, let's talk about it down below in the comments. Thank you again to Revlon for working with me in today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.